Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to play Rush in Ultimate Team. In the beginning, let's go to Ultimate Team mode and go to play. Enter competitive and select Rush. Select Find Teammates. Select your suggested players. Hold to confirm. On the right side of the screen you can find Rush Point bonuses. Now we have to wait. In Rush mode we play 4 versus 4. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.